I didn't notice it at first, just a little thinning at my temple area and a bit of the baby hair missing. But in photos, my forehead looked wider, my face looked sharper, and not in a good way. I'm Dr. Madiha Bhayani, a licensed hair care practitioner, and yes, even I struggled with early stage hairline loss. I wasn't balding, but I could feel it. Every time I tied my hair, every time I brushed it. I knew I had to act early, and I turned to the thing which I trust most, biology. And I created a natural, medically backed routine to regrow my hairline at home. In this video, I will share my exact 4-step routine, what mistakes I have made, and how I tracked my hair growth journey week by week without any minoxidil, without any pills, or without any gimmicks. Before I share my routine, it is very important to tell you that why this happens, especially to the women. Your temples and hairline are the most hormone sensitive areas of your scalp. They also face the most damage from the tight ponytails or the scarf pins, heat, and stress. In many cases, hairline thinning is not permanent, but it does need intervention before the follicles shrink too much. So, if you're seeing fine white hair, baby fuzz, or just feeling a change in your hairline, that's your window. That means your scalp is still alive and we can bring it back. As a doctor, I always look at the biology first. So my goal was to increase blood flow to the hairline, reduce the scalp inflammation, balance local hormones naturally, and feed the follicles with nutrients both topically and internally. Every step in my routine is designed to support the goals I have made, and I just didn't do one thing. I created the whole daily and weekly system that really works. Here is my exact routine, and you can copy it 100%. The first thing I have done is the scalp detox, which you have to do it once a week. You have to take 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or ACV. You have to mix and apply it to the temples plus front line. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water. It helps unclog the follicles and reduces the inflammation. The step 2 is the hairline massage, which you have to do at least 3 times a week. How you have to do it? You have to do it with a derma roller, which should be of 0.5 millimeter. I used to roll it gently on the temples for 1 minute. I follow with the homemade rosemary and clove oil. How I made it? I just take 1 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves, 1 tablespoon of cloves. I simmer it for a while. I let it cool down and then I strain it. Then I used to massage it gently with the fingers on a scalp, or you can use a scalp brush also. You know what? This is my favorite part. It's so calming and you feel blood flow immediately. The step 3 is the daily tonic spray. How to make it? You have to take around 1 cup of rosemary water. You can just simmer some rosemary leaves into the glass of water, and then that rosemary water can be mixed with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice and 2 aspirin tablets. You can crush them before adding. Spray it on your hairline, dries fast and boosts the circulation. Even when I'm tired or traveling, I never skip this spray. This DIY tonic is magic. The step 4 is the internal support. How to do it? You can start with the morning drink like I did it. I usually soak some fenugreek seeds into water. In the morning, I just take the fenugreek water and drink it. Or some days I use the turmeric and ginger tea. The hair nutrients I took was zinc. I took around 15 to 30 mg, biotin 5000 mcg, and iron-rich foods, which is dates, black raisins, and spinach. I didn't get results overnight because in the beginning I was doing some mistakes. I was tying my hair too tightly, especially around the temple areas. I was using raw onion juice directly on my hairline, which caused irritation. I was not being consistent, to be honest. Skipping 3 to 4 days only breaks my progress. The thick hair clogged my hairline instead of helping it. So when did I get results? At around 3 weeks, I noticed some white soft fuzz. They are little invisible baby hair. By week 5 to 6, it thickened, and by 2 months, I had clear regrowth along the temples. The clip I'm showing you here is from the 4 months from starting my daily routine. It didn't come in thick overnight. It came slow, but it was steady and it really worked. Now here is my favorite segment of the video, some FAQs. The first question is, will it really work for men also? Yes, especially if their temples are just starting to recede. Second question, what age is too late? The answer of this is no age is too late, but if follicles are fully dead or scarred, regrowth becomes very difficult. So you have to catch it very early. The third question is, can I skip the derma roller? The answer is yes, you can. but it accelerates results by 2 to 3 times. I know how it feels seeing your hairline fading away slowly, silently, without any warning. But trust me, with the right approach, you can surely bring it back. If white hair is your concern too, I have got you. I have made an intense black hair oil. You can use that after derma roller. That oil will not only regrow your hair but also give your white hair the pigment which you need. It takes time, I'm telling you, but natural remedies are far better and have permanent results than the temporary and artificial ones. What is that oil? You can click on this screen and I'll see you there. Till then, bye bye.